What's for?
For Bree's party.
Yeah. When's Bree's happy birthday?
On Saturday.
Really? Do you going to see Bree? Are you going to her party?
No.
Yeah? Are you going to give her a big kiss? And say happy birthday, Bree?
She's having the candle.
Is she? What are we going to sing happy birthday to her when she blows out her candle?
I have a candle.
Yeah, did you have a happy birthday candle too?
Yeah, I did.
You did? Was it so much fun?
I say happy birthday. Like that.
Is that what we're going to sing for Bree? How are we going to sing it?
Happy birthday.
And then what are we going to say?
She's having a birthday hat.
We're going to get her birthday hat?
For Bree.
Is she a friend?
Yeah.
Do you love her?
She got in Mommy's car.
Did she? Did she sit by you in Mommy's car? Yeah?
She wants to go in his car.
Oh. Are we going to say happy birthday to Bree?
She beat someone out to play cards.
Oh my gosh, is she going to be so happy when it's her birthday?
She beat Autumn.
Oh. Will it be so much fun?
She has my spoon.
She has your what?
She can have my dirt spoon.
You're going to give her your dance spoon? Are you going to share with her?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That will make her so happy because she's your friend, huh?
I'll wrap my necklace together.
Oh, how pretty. Is that what you're going to wear to Bree's happy birthday?
Yes.
Can you say happy birthday, Bree?
Happy birthday.
Can you blow her a princess kiss? How about two-handed princess kiss? Good job.